Hello, good morning, my friend. How are you, my friend? 各位朋友早晨啊。Let me check the time. The time in Hong Kong now is what? Is 15 minutes to 2 o'clock. 香港時間咧係凌晨1時45分，即係話仲欠15分鐘就係2 o'clock. Okay? So let me check the day in Hong Kong. The day in Hong Kong now is what? It's Hong Kong Monday 10 March 2025. So 香港今日嘅日子而家咧係晨早 Monday 星期一3月10號。Alright, so since it's Monday, so all these financial debtors 既然家係星期一啦，所以呢啲經濟數據 ，OK is 金融數據 is all for the last week 係上個星期㗎。Anyway, let's go through it roughly。我哋大致上咧係巡禮一片啦啊。Okay, the first one is start with crude. The crude oil still was 67. So hopefully, if it go down to somewhere, it might be a weakness for all, right? All right, so and then we have Thursday and Friday numbers here, and then you see the Dow Jones after a loss of about 400 points, so a recovery, half of it. 損失大概500點，就收復翻一半。Okay, this is seesawing. And then Hang Seng, the same thing. We got about 800 points plus, and then we surrender about 140 bonds. So then come to the European market. As the uncertainties are still around, 所有一啲未明朗嘅因素都係喺附近嘅，所以 you can see there's a minus and there's plus. So let's add them up here in the analysis today, okay? And now move on to the Asian market. The Shanghai Composite is a winner. After a big gain of 40, only giving back about 9 points. For Taiwan, it's not so nice because the chip industry is, everybody's talking about chip industry, so it might affect a little bit, right? Okay, that's a guessing game. So again, we have Hang Seng, we explained it. It's a big winning day. And then a retreat of about 140 bonds. And we have the Japan Nikkei here. We have, 300 gain, but 800 low. Still, it's a missing market, right? 仍然係一個謎一樣嘅市場。And then, all right, we come to 2 days, add together. Fuji is about, not up to 1 point, it's only 0.76, and then for Germany, it's a quarter of a point, and the French is third of a point, and the Dow Jones is almost half of a point. All right, after this, we see the analysis of the Hang Seng here. We can see that Thursday and Friday show a net gain of 637 points, equal to the future is 2.63 point plus, about 2.5% gain. And the specific care is doing better than that because of Alibaba 8 points. 10 cents, 7 points, all these, fundamentals. So anyway, 2 days that together, we get 3.37 intake. Okay. All right, after all this financial data, we come to here. It's a 5 video more from here to the subscription pay, monthly subscription pay channel. So I would like to ask my friends in YouTube to carry on the usual mechanism。多謝 YouTube 嘅朋友幫手照一如以往咁樣將佢搬過去啦。Thank you very much, my friend。多謝晒。好啦 ，After this, we are going to have the T-square side talk. Russian and President Putin, the silent winner。好啦，俄羅斯同埋普京係咪一個沉默嘅勝家嘅贏家咧？Silent winner， 贏家 ，OK，winners and keep silent. As Trump allying vision has been praised by Kremlin， 就係話阿 Trump 嘅遠見嘅安排咧，係克姆林宮都係認同嘅。咁當然係對佢有利，佢先係認同㗎啦，係咪啊？咁如果對佢有利，即係佢可能係 winner 啦。As the reality would be a backyard NATO， 因為而家嘅現實咧，好可能咧就係有一個後院，有一個北約嘅家看守，而呢個北約嘅家看守係唔需要佢俾任何嘅負擔嘅，係咪？而呢個看守者係保證咗一個防火牆，就係 Ukraine 同埋佢之間 ，right between Ukraine and Russia， no threat of conflict， 唔會有任何衝突嘅危險、衝突嘅陰影或者衝突嘅驚恐。No financial burden on US as well。美國已經重新話再唔支持，再唔去援助烏克蘭喺軍事嘅用途嘅方面㗎啦。咁呢一個亦都係一個我哋 Chinese 叫釜底抽薪，喺個 boiling 個 pot 下邊嘅film 咧，將佢移開去佢。咁對呢方面咧係有利嘅對 United States 亦都慳翻好多錢，對整個嘅 warfare 亦都可以降溫，係咪？咁 no financial burden on US as well to keep Ukraine safe on the road of recovery。咁呢個就將會係可以一個保障到 Ukraine 係喺一個叫做復原之路，係咪？可以重建 Ukraine。By then it might be a new president too。喺咁嘅情況，到時 Ukraine 可能有一個新嘅 president 都講唔埋咯，係咪 ？For Putin， 因為普京 he should know pretty clear what Trump would want and need。普京係好 smart， 佢明白到阿 Trump 嘅需要同埋佢嘅想要。It would be a rose picture for the coming day。對於俄羅斯嚟講，個遠景將會係相當好嘅。As more a willing partner， 仲有係一個好願意隨時幫手嘅中國。On the sideline 喺旁邊係 ready 預備好 to lend a helping hand。對於呢個曾經係一個，亦都係一個生死之交嘅老朋友，去俾佢一個需要嘅 helping hand， 係咪 ？Especially in allying his crude oil depot， 尤其是係要重新安排佢嘅油嘅輸出嘅地方。So far, it's a win-win situation for all stakeholders。截至目前為止，而家呢個係一個大家都係贏家嘅情況。Okay, so let's all do it because peace is all the stakeholders are working for。大家都係努力向呢個和平度去做功夫嘅。 Side 2 has Russian Putin so side of changing mind in the walking of the final 10 miles？ 咁究竟係咪真係 Russian Putin 係表現出佢有changing mind，轉移佢嘅腦筋喺最後嗰一里向住一個 lasting peace of UK， 即係換句説話講，事情仲會唔會有改變呢？喺最後呢 10% 嘅路程就係去到和平之境㗎啦。There are to be 3 scenarios。我哋分析下有冇呢個咁嘅危機。我哋分析下，我哋有3個 scenario。第一 ，to prevent further price sinking of crude over and under during tables。嗱，如果要防止呢個油價繼續去沉淪落去喺台面或者台底嘅話，如果繼續沉淪落去，呢個 practically 就係 hinder 咗 Russian 嘅主要嘅收入 main income resource。所以第一個 scenario 就係油價如果下沉，就會影響俄羅斯嘅收入，咁亦都係影響 to keep the survival of 佢嘅 country， 影響佢嘅國家嘅生存。雖然間係生存落去，但係生存得係唔愉快，係咪？咁樣亦都係對於佢嘅國家嘅 economically 係有影響嘅生存，而對於佢自己就係 politically 政治上亦都係有影響。嗱，所以如果佢係將目前嘅局勢扭轉嘅話，對佢係不利嘅。If this thinking stands, Donald Trump's warning of large scale of threat。 嗱，仲有一個就係話 Donald Trump 警告大規模嘅 Russian target 嘅 sanctions。同一時候 Donald Trump 亦都簽署咗好多命令，而呢啲命令包括係加深原油嘅制裁。嗱，呢啲原油嘅制裁未必單對係針對俄羅斯，係 on the whole overall 嘅。咁俄羅斯係 one of the， 當然啦，俄羅斯亦都係以原油賣油為生嘅。咁你話會唔會影響呢？嗱，咁呢個咧就係大家互相將個信息傳遞啦。OK，finally， 最後 a test of confidence from his number one buddy China。最後就係對於中國呢個老朋友嘅態度嘅信心可以試一試。咁喺呢3個 scenario 之下，都係一個假設。咁如果嚟緊嘅下個禮拜嘅Saudi嘅會議沙聯能夠造成一個大家都 happy ending 嘅話，咁呢3個 scenario 你哋都可以 forget them， 係咪啊？唔需要再想啦。Okay, that is scenarios only. Alright, after this, we are going to have breaking news. As the 6-day National People's Congress (NPC) approaching to closing， 嗱，6日嘅人大會議將會差唔多係告終㗎啦。The top agenda is how to merge in， 最主要嘅議程就係點樣去融合 President Xi Jinping 嘅 road mapping 喺呢個會議將來所做嘅嘢嘅議程係點樣將習近平主席嘅思想嘅路向嘅思維同埋佢嘅 philosophy 加以 merge， 係咪啊？呢個係最重要嘅。而家我哋亦都可以睇睇有一個 4 country unions 嘅 country 嘅 joint peace effort at work 係有個四方一齊努力嘅和平嘅檔案係 formulate 緊，係咪啊？咁唔係檔案，係個整個計劃 ，OK 係 formulate 緊。嗱，呢四方就係 China、Russia、Europe and USA， 就係中國、俄羅斯、歐盟同埋美國。Together with polar alliances walking the fight， 仲有就係其他跟隨住中國嘅 polar alliances， 以中國為首嘅聯盟 union，OK， 都係一齊行緊100里路，最後嗰10里 10% of this muddy and rocky road， 呢條有泥巴，亦都係有石頭嘅路，係一條唔係容易行嘅路，但係而家係已經到最後一個階段啦。OK，what Donald Trump having on his toolbox？ 咁 Donald Trump 有啲乜嘢喺佢個工具箱咧？嗱，我哋要明白 Donald Trump 最 expert 就係佢個 hit and run。Custom duties 同埋佢簽一沓一沓嘅 executive presidential executive order， 嗱，呢個就係佢最拿手嘅好戲啦，亦都係佢嘅 toolbox 嘅重要嘅工具。咁究竟呢啲 executive order 係咪真係咁有用咧？咁呢個大家都唔知嘅，大家again a guessing game， 大家都係靠估 ，including Donald Trump。If you ask him, he couldn't tell you， 佢唔會話俾你聽 ，yes or no，right？ Okay， so we continue with here。歐洲、北約、UK and alliances 同埋大家嘅同盟嘅 partner。UK 嘅 independence is always a reality。嗱 ，UK 嘅獨立 sovereignty 係一個事實嚟嘅，現實嚟嘅，即如亦都加強去 affirm。俾最近個 program 嘅 guarantee， 歐洲各個國家喺倫敦亦都係簽署頒布咗一個 willingness， 係咪啊？咁呢個亦都係可以進一步去 secure 佢嘅位置，免受俄羅斯再嚟一次嘅 intrusion， 係咪 ？OK， 跟住就係 Russian is heading into a game。That is unaffordable to lose。對於俄羅斯嚟講，佢係喺一個遊戲，係唔能夠輸得起嘅遊戲。OK， 唔 affordable to lose。咁佢要點做咧？嗱 ，Putin 係偏切出，係將佢嘅希望咧係嚟緊呢一個 meeting 喺沙地阿拉伯嘅，同埋 Donald Trump。嘅同埋 Crown Prince 沙地阿拉伯嘅王子Salman 係喺一個咩背景之下咧？係喺一個啲油價係不斷沉淪嘅情況之下 ，Donald Trump 有巨大嘅產油、輸油、出國嘅能力，咁同一時間。佢唔想希望影響到俄羅斯成為一個大嘅輸家，喺咁嘅情況之下，佢好聰明咁將俄羅斯去引薦沙地阿拉伯王子，咁大家就係從長計議，做成一個方案，各方面都有利嘅，係咪？因為美國大量嘅油，亦都係影響中東嘅 producing 嘅 partners 同埋中東沙地阿拉伯嘅 partners 都係大家產有嘅。Okay, so let's see what the final reality will be。最後等我哋睇下最後嘅現實係將會係點啦。Chairman Xi Jinping and China are again acting as anchors in Rough Sea。我哋主席習近平主席係同埋中國再度一次係喺波濤洶湧嘅海域做一個係 anchoring 嘅工作，一個係將佢把持去穩定，將佢去唔希望有任何完成咗嘅協議去 overturn。咁如果要佢哋唔 overturn 嘅話，就係要將佢 encourage 啦。咁 well Xi Jinping President and China are doing the job, and I believe they could do it pretty well. China's got top diplomat, Foreign Minister Wang Yi spoke at his annual press conference。喺佢個點講啊？喺佢個 annual 佢個週年嘅傳媒或者係呢個傳媒，亦都可以講記者嘅招待會因為而家好多記者同埋有好多各種網上嘅傳媒都會係出席嘅。就係王毅就係 reiterating， 就係再重申 China 中國嘅 offering， 中國對於世界嘅穩定嘅貢獻。OK， 咁呢個就係亦都係好重要地係 echoing， 將呢個anchoring 再重新去反映出嚟，咁呢個亦都係 Chairman Xi 嘅 all in one and one in all 嘅 philosophy。大家你中有我，我中有你嘅哲學，係咪啊？Okay, so after this we are going to move on to the classroom。咁而家咧，我哋就係 classroom 啦。嗱 ，classroom here first of all， 我哋咧就會有個預告，就係嚟緊新嘅 topic 咧，就係個 name 咧就係 protectionism causing a shrinking economy。保護主義係造成一個收縮嘅經濟情況。OK。咁呢個就係預備俾同學們，而家預先諗一諗，做一個 draft work， 佢哋將會係參與 Team A， 即係話係 yes， 或者 Team B 係 no。OK， 咁佢哋可以開始自我報名啦，係咪啊？ And then we will have some general guidance in the coming up。 咁我哋咧 classroom 咧亦都會有一啲兩邊都可以採用嘅 guidance 咧，就俾同學去採用同埋去 prepare 佢哋嘅 draft work 嘅。Alright, this is coming。嗱呢個咧就比較簡單啲啦。而家咧係已經到一個叫做比分嘅時間。咁你睇到呢啲紅字咧，就係個 reasoning。比分個 reasoning，OK， 咁呢啲紅字有包括就係 when risk increases, return by percentage goes lower, so it affects。嗱呢個係針對A 嘅 ，OK，Team A。咁 Team A 咧就 only provided less detailed, straightforward argument。Team A 咧只係供給到 一個冇咁多嘅資料，冇咁直接嘅argument 嘅論點。嗱，呢點就係流於比較係簡單啲。This is a yes and no neutral question。嗱，對於呢一個 yes and no 嘅 question 咧，似乎咧我哋 as a teacher 咧，當我哋 draft 俾出嚟嘅時候咧，亦都係有一啲叫做 overlooking 㗎。So I would say we are sorry about this overlooking。我哋係好抱歉有一個咁嘅 overlooking。我哋應該講多啲嘢。嗱，呢個 guidance 咧係應該 remind 個 balancing of 個 neutral， 唔應該講就係一個 neutral， 就係好概括，就係輕輕帶過。咁呢個咧係我哋嘅不足啊，咁我哋應該係加以改善。跟住就係我哋亦都睇到，我哋睇到呢啲ingredient 嘅，咁呢啲其他嘅咧就係冇乜嘢可以評論啦。咁跟住咧就係話喺第六、第七呢度仲有一個咧，就係個 comment 就係呢個係 call， 但係應該係 elaborate 多一啲。咁即係換句説話講係呢方面嘅同學即係 Team A 嘅同學咧係比較係冇咁充足咁樣準備好佢嘅 argument 個 homework，OK？ 所以喺咁嘅情況之下 ，we add them together 咧就係23分對20分，係個 winning team 咧就係 B。So all right, so I would like to remind students, this is only the process we are going to learn. It's not winning or losing。我哋唔係斤斤計較贏定輸，我哋斤要追隨我哋嘅學習。如果同學想 start anew 翻案嘅話，咁我哋亦都好有機會隨時喺另外一個形式，但係個性質一樣嘅，俾同學咧可以作多方面嘅思考。嗱，而家下面呢個就同呢一個咧係有一啲關係啦。咁而且同學咧亦都可以當呢個係一個 extended debate， 一個伸延嘅 debate。咁喺呢方面再重新上路。OK， 咁呢個就暫時到呢度。So let's meet again, and then you will see what are the general guidance。咁你就會睇到嗰個general guidance 係點樣啦。OK， so we finish here, and then we move to the day. So when we meet again, that will be Wednesday or 12 March。我哋再次見嘅時候就係星期三12號3月。So my friend, so have a happy week to begin with。有個快樂嘅星期去開始。OK，拜拜。